Hi, my name is Lindsay O'Neill. I'm a part of the Policy, Planning, and Coordination branch at the Flood Control District of Maricopa County. Last year, we received grant funding that we were able to put towards an educational outreach tool for the public. This tool is called Interactive Flood Simulation. There's two parts that are not here today that are physical interactive water flow tables. And then the third part is what you see, which is the web application. The Interactive Flood Simulation web tool is meant for users to better understand how water flows in our desert, how properties can be affected by stormwater, and how flood conditions can affect operating a vehicle. At the bottom of the page, you'll also see a few buttons of different resources that we have provided. We have pictures and videos of these scenarios occurring in real life. There is also a glossary of the terms that includes images to better understand and visualize what is being discussed. And then on the right here, we have the Contact Us button. So if you have any further questions on the use of this tool, or if you would like us to come out and do a presentation, you would use that link. And then at any point while you're in the web application, you can select this home button on the left to bring you back to this screen. Now let's get started. When you select how water flows in the desert, you will be brought to this scenario page. On this page, you will select the terrain type and then the rainfall amount, and you will be able to see how water flows in the desert. There are two images on the left that help us depict the differences between the stormwater runoff based off of the soil preconditions of either being dry or wet. In the bottom left corner, you can select the play button, and a video will pop up to display a hypothetical scenario of how water would flow off a mountainous area in our region. And you can see all of these things for the other types of terrain as well. Now, the next scenario is how can stormwater affect your property? Here you will be able to choose the type of property and then the rainfall amount. The amount of rainfall you select will depict the water level on the image on the right. Please note that these are generalizations to show the possibilities of flooding. The location of the property in regards to the floodplain, the elevation of the structure, the property's features, and the amount of rainfall all will play a huge factor in how stormwater can affect a given property. And the last scenario we have included is how flooding affects operating a vehicle. Here you can choose different points of views to visualize a car attempting to go through a wash, as well as the rainfall amount. You have the option between low, medium, and high for all of these different scenarios. Specifically for this one, low is 6 inches. 6 inches of flooding depth, a pedestrian can get knocked over. And it's even high enough to reach the bottom of the car, which can greatly affect the control of the vehicle and could cause stalling. Medium is 12 inches of water that has the ability to push the vehicle, causing great difficulty in maintaining control, and the stalling of the engine is highly likely, causing serious engine damage. High rainfall is 2 feet of water. At 2 feet of water, vehicles will float, removing all possibilities of vehicle control. Engine damage is going to happen, and then there's also possible interior and body damage that is likely. And this concludes the demo of our interactive flood simulation tool provided by the Flood Control District of Maricopa County. To return to the home page, please select the bottom button on the left-hand corner of the home. Thank you.